We live in a world that celebrates popularity, followers, likes on social media, but what about the people who don't have friends? Is there something wrong with them, or do they have some amazing qualities that other people do not? Well, what I found is that these people are the most self-aware. They're the most emotionally intelligent, and they are unshakable people, and they just don't happen to roll in groups. They choose to walk alone, not because they're broken, but because they're built different. These are 5 character traits of people who don't have friends or don't want to be in a crowd, and why that might just mean that they're ahead of the game. Number 1, they are internally validated, which means that they don't chase belonging. This isn't a popularity contest to them. These people don't contort themselves so that they can fit in with other people, and they have outgrown performative friendships or trying to be someone that they're not so that other people will accept them. They know who they are and they value their authenticity. If they choose to hang out with someone, it's not because they're lonely, it's because they choose to be with that person. And it comes back from a place of alignment, not lack. And they'd rather feel whole alone than half themselves with others. Number 2, these people are deep, deep thinkers. Solitude doesn't scare them. It fuels them. Being alone actually fills their cup. These people use solitude to grow themselves. These are the people that are journaling in the morning, that take long walks by themselves, that listen to others more than they speak. They're not antisocial, they are just anti-surface level relationships. They'd rather sit with a question than fake small talk. They crave depth in their relationships, not a bunch of noise. Number 3, they have really strong boundaries. They would rather disappoint others than betray themselves. Let's be real, not having friends isn't always a tragedy. Sometimes it is a boundary win. These are people who have walked away from the drama, the negativity, the toxic people, the surface level relationships, going out on the weekend and getting drunk, or just dead energy. They've learned to detox from people who drain them, and they value their own personal peace over popularity because they know that you can't heal in the same place that broke you. Number 4, they are hyperintuitive. They read energy better than anybody else. They walk into a room and they feel everything. They feel the fake smiles, the unsaid resentments, the energy shifts, the people that are pretending to be someone that they're not. They've learned that being alone is more healing than being surrounded by a bunch of toxic people. But understand, these people are not paranoid. They just see what other people can't see. And they feel way more than other people can feel. So they're not standoffish, they just prefer to protect their energy. And number 5, they are evolving faster than other people. Let's be real, some people lose friendships because they're toxic, but some lose friends because they are transforming. These people are often moving through identity shifts or emotional healing or new standards faster than other people. And not everybody can keep up. You have to understand that you will leave some people behind as you transform, and that is okay. So these people are not afraid to outgrow people if it means getting closer to who they really are. You have to understand you're not hard to love, you're just hard to manipulate. So if you're someone who rolls solo, here's what might be true about you. You're probably self-sovereign. You're probably a deep thinker. You've probably worked on your boundaries. You're hyper-intuitive, and you might be moving faster and evolving faster than your old environments can handle. And no, that doesn't mean that you'll be alone forever. It just means that you're not wasting your presence where your presence isn't honored.